Hello.
My name is Emma.
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia. I'm an engineer.
It is. My name is William. I am 26 years old. I am from England and I work are eating tea and watching football. My favorite food is fish and chips. Have a nice day. My name is Patrick. I am 26 years old. I am from Ireland. I am wearing a traditional Irish outfit. My favorite food is Irish stew. It is warm and comforting. Have a nice day.
Shalom, my name is David. I'm from Israel and I work as a software developer. I love visiting historical places and my favorite food is falafel. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Einar. I am from Iceland and wearing a traditional wool sweater. I work as a photographer and love capturing northern lights. My favorite food is lamb soup because it is warm and comforting.
Hola, my name is Valeria. I am from Costa Rica. I am wearing a traditional Costa Rican dress. My hobbies are hiking, protecting nature. My hobbies are visiting waterfalls. My favorite food is gallo pinto. Hola, my name is Isabela. I am 24 years old. I am from Colombia and I'm wearing a cumbia dress. I love dancing and singing and my favorite food is arepas.
Hola, my name is Alejandro. I am 28 years old and I am wearing a traditional Cuban guayabera shirt. And I love playing lively Cuban music. My hobbies are dancing salsa and ropa vieja.
Sabaidi. My name is Kamla and I am from Laos. I am wearing a traditional sing. My favorite food is lap. Thank you. How about you?
Moyen. My name is Elise. I am 26 years old. I am from Luxembourg dress. I work as a banker. My hobbies and walking around old castles. How about you?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yusuf. I am from Morocco and I am wearing a traditional jellaba. My hobbies are drinking mint tea and traveling. My favorite food is tagine. How about you?
My name is Maria. I am 25 years old and I am from Malta as a museum guide. My hobby is swimming, reading, walking by the sea. My favorite food is... Thank you for listening. Have a lovely day.
My name is Ayan. I am 26 years old. I am from the Maldives. I wear traditional clothing. I work as a diving instructor. I love exploring the ocean. Mashuni is my favorite food. Thank you for listening. How about you?
My name is Anaya. I am from Mauritius and I am wearing a colorful traditional island dress. I'm meeting people from many countries. My hobbies are walking on the beach. My favorite food is
My name is Amir. I am 27 years old. I am from Malaysia and I am wearing traditional Melayu. My hobbies are cooking and watching football. My favorite food is nasi lemak. Thank you for listening. How about you? My name is Omar. I am 28 from Egypt and I am wearing a traditional galabeya. I work as a historian and I am in ancient Egyptian culture. My favorite kushari. Thank you for listening. Have a peaceful day.
Сайн байна уу? My name is Batterden on this open step. I love horse riding and my favorite food is booze. I am wearing a traditional del. Thank you. How about you?
Zdravo! My name is Milena. I am 26 years old. I am from Montenegro as a tour guide. Hobbies are hiking, swimming, photos. My favorite food is kachamak. How about you?
My name is Lucas. I am 28. I'm from Namibia and wear a traditional outfit. I work as a desert guide. I like hiking and sunsets. Kapana is my favorite food. Thank you. Have a great day. Namaste. My name is Arjun. I am 27 years old and I am wearing a traditional daura surual. And I love helping travelers explore the Himalayas. My favorite food is momo.
My name is Chinedu, 27 years old. I am from Nigeria and I work as a movies. My work as a filmmaker. My favorite food, it is delicious. Thank you for listening. How about you?
My name is Eric. I am 29 years old. I am from Norway and I am wearing a traditional unad. I work as a fisherman and I love being close to the sea. My hobbies are skiing, fishing, is salmon. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salim. I'm from Oman, wearing a dishdasha and cap. I like sea travel, fishing, hiking and forts. My favorite is Shua. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Hola, my name is Carlos, 27 years old. I'm wearing as a boat tour guide. My hobbies are dancing and watching the sunset. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.
Bonjour, my name is Claire. I am 24 years old. I'm from France, wearing a classic dress. I work as a pastry chef and I love making cakes. My favorite food is croissant. How about you?
Mingalaba. My name is Tandar. I am 25 years old. My hobbies are reading and visiting pagodas. My favorite food is mohinga. Thank you for listening. How about you?
Ciao! My name is Marco. I'm 28 years old. I'm wearing a traditional Italian folk outfit. And my hobbies are enjoy cooking delicious food. My hobbies are playing guitar. My favorite food is...
Hello, my name is Emma. I am 26 years old. I am from the Netherlands and I am wearing a traditional Dutch dress with wooden shoes. I work as a florist and I love arranging colorful...
Chumrip Suo. My name is Supiak. I am 25 years old, Cambodia. My hobbies are visiting historical places. My favorite food is historical places. Have a lovely day.
Salim. My name is Ayan. I am 27 years old. I'm wearing a chapan. I'm a horse trainer. I love traveling. My favorite food is beshparmak. Have a great day. Jumbo.
My name is Amani. I am 25 years old and expired outfit. My favorite food is nature. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. How about you?
Bok, my name is Luka, 8 years old. I am a traditional Croatian folk outfit. I work as a tour guide taking photos. My favorite food is black risotto. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.
My name is Ilse. I am 26 years old. I am wearing a traditional Latvian folk dress. I work as a singer and love performing. My favorite food is grey peas. How about you?
Labas. My name is Thomas, I am 28 years old, and I am wearing a traditional. My hobbies are reading and visiting old towns. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.